If you've come across the Levide Knee 2.0 Companion being marketed as the ultimate at-home recovery solution, you've probably seen the bold promises advanced LED light therapy that can supposedly boost collagen production, reduce muscle pain, speed up recovery, and even deliver full body coverage with customizable timers and a compact, futuristic-looking design. On the surface, it sounds like the kind of tool anyone struggling with joint pain or looking for faster healing would want to add to their routine. But when we started digging into levidecup.com, a very different picture began to emerge. First off, the site itself is brand new, with the domain registered only in 2024, which is always a red flag when paired with huge claims about medical results, because established and trustworthy companies usually have years of history, reviews, and proof to back them up. Their About Us section provides almost no real background, no founder's name, no company registration details, and no traceable business history, which makes it nearly impossible to know who you're actually buying from. Things get even murkier with the product's health promises. The website claims the device can regenerate cells up to 200% faster and even heal damaged tissue, but there's no clinical research, FDA clearance, or scientific documentation to support those claims. In fact, when we looked closer at their doctor-recommended stamp of approval, the image used was just a generic stock photo that has appeared on completely unrelated websites, which really undermines their credibility. They also showcase what they call 6,000 plus verified 5-star reviews, but when we searched independent review platforms like Trustpilot or even basic customer forums, we couldn't find a single genuine buyer talking about the product. This kind of review manipulation is often used to build false trust and make shoppers feel like they're missing out on a popular solution. All of these issues combine: new domain, vague company information, exaggerated medical claims, fake endorsements, and suspicious reviews make it very hard to trust whether the Levide Knee 2.0 Companion is actually legitimate. While the device itself looks impressive in marketing photos and the idea of LED therapy for recovery isn't new, the way this brand presents itself raises more questions than answers, leaving potential buyers stuck between the possibility of a useful self-care tool and the risk of falling into yet another overhyped online gadget trap.